What's up and welcome to Class Fit Sugar. I'm Nikki Nie and today I got for you a 10-minute low-impact leg workout. This episode is presented by Allegra. For non-drowsy, 24-hour allergy relief that starts working in 1 hour, try Allegra this allergy season.
Being outdoors without allergy symptoms allows me to feel present and connected. Here are some of my favorite tips for getting the most out of an outdoor workout. Find hikes or walks with something special at the end. It always motivates me to keep going, knowing there will be a reward. Accountability means sharing outdoor workouts with friends. We'll do hot girl walks or catch up and hang out. I have seasonal allergies, which can keep me away from wildflower season. Since Allegra starts working in 1 hour, I can make spontaneous plans and check out nature in no time. Now, let's get back to your workout.
All right, enough talking. Let's get moving. Yeah. Ready? We've only got 10 minutes, so let's start moving right away. Our first exercise is a squat. So take the legs parallel, about hip distance apart. We're gonna drop the booty back, stand up nice and tall. Let's get going. So our first round, we have 5 moves. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Take this squat, and the next one stay low, and let's just give it a little pulse here. So shoulders are back, booty is back, abs are nice and tight for 3, 2, 1. Stand up back, nice and tall, squeeze it all the way up and down. So there's no warm up here. Make sure you take care of yourself, listen to your body. This first round, you wanna maybe take it a little bit easier, and the second round, we're really gonna crush it. And then finish it with a pulse here. 8, 7, 6, breathe, keep the chest lifted, drop the booty down. 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Awesome. As you shake your legs out, I'm gonna show you the next move. We're gonna take a lunge split. So you take one leg back, take it down to a classic lunge. As you stand up tall, go into a curtsy lunge and squeeze the leg back. We're gonna start with the same side. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. So take it back to a lunge and then propel off that front leg and then propel off of it again as you just continue those 2 moves. So really burning out that one side.
Oh, it's burning.
Yeah, right? Are we burning?
Already. Right into it.
Where are you feeling that, Alexa? The quads, the booty. All right, keeping it going. You got about 10 more seconds here. So maybe you start to really find that edge where you go a little bit lower, making sure that the form is really on point, alignment is dialed in. 3, 2, last one, shake it out. We go right away to the other side. Let's all take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it go, shimmy it out. All right, take that lunge, opposite leg back, and then squeeze the inner thighs. So the adductors are what's gonna help you not fall over like I almost just did. That was the cue. Keeping the adductors, your inner thighs squeezed, especially as you take that curtsy lunge. Taking it down, propel up. I don't know about you, but we are only 3 minutes in, and I'm starting to feel that burn, okay?
Yeah.
She's on. Woo, we got it. Yeah. So not so much about speed here. This is a low impact workout, but we're really finding the burn by keeping the form, keeping the leg nice and low, chest lifted. 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Give yourself a little shimmy wiggle of those legs. Here's the next move. Taking a lateral lunge. So as you step back, the leg stepping out wide to the side is bent, opposite leg straight. Keep your chest lifted, booty back, elbows wide. When you come up, we're gonna take the knee to the opposite elbow. Let's give it a try, just on one side, taking it all the way down to a lateral lunge, and then drive up the knee as it comes across the body. So getting a little bit of that oblique workout as well. It's really easy to make the knee splay out. So making sure that we keep the knee over the toe, not dropping it in. That's gonna not be good on the knees. Remember, we're staying nice and safe with this workout. And then the fingertips behind the ears will help engage the upper back as well. So scapulas pull back, nice, strong alignment. We're doing all right?
Oh, we are.
We're with me?
Yes. Definitely.
Come on, keep it going. 3, and 2, and 1. Shake it out. We go to the other side. So setting yourself up. Elbows pull back wide. Give yourself a smile. Taking it nice and wide. Taking the chest, keeping it lifted. Taking the booty back. Take it up and over for the cross. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Woo. This is our last exercise of this first round of the series. So hopefully you're feeling nice and warm, getting that body, that lower body burning.
No doubt.
And we're just gonna bring up the intensity a little bit more for the second round. So keep it going. We got low impact, but high vibes. Right, ladies?
Amen.
Right.
That's right.
Our last 10 seconds here. Keep the chest up. Make sure that you're really drawing that booty back and then really bending that leg that's lowering all the way down. Keep the chest up for 3, for 2, for 1. Amazing job. Shake it out. So we're gonna repeat that cycle of 5 moves. This round, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's start with the squat, taking it all the way up and down. Just gauge where your energy's at today. You know, sometimes it's hard to get to that workout. Let's pulse it here, stay low. And even when it's hard, the fact that you can show up, that is really that moment that you gotta feel proud. You're doing a good job. Life is not easy. And here you are showing up. For 3, 2, take it all the way up, all the way down. Squeeze the glutes at the top. Really feel that lift so that we're getting the lower body burning and the booty lifting. Yeah. And let's pulse it out right here. You got your last 10 seconds. Come on, stay with me. I got you, we got you, we're in it together. Welcome it in, the change is happening right here, right now. For 3, for 2, for 1. Woo, shake it out. All right, next one, we're going into our lunge. So taking it straight back and then back into the curtsy. Here we go, come on, let's do it.
You got this.
This is the one that burns the most.
This is the one that burns the most. This one's getting it good. Amazing. Amazing work. It's so good. Just 10 minutes. I love these short little workouts because then it feels like we can make it happen no matter what we're juggling in our lives. Take on the day.
Yep.
And it always makes like the mood. My mood gets so much better. I'm already feeling like I can do anything, right?
You can do this.
I can do this. We can do anything. All right, stay with me, my friends. 15 more seconds, and then we are done with this move today. Well, and after we do the other side, of course.
Oh yeah, can't forget that.
All right, come on, here we go. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Shake it out if you need to do a little massage, a little pound, a little shimmy, a little twerk. And then let's go to the other side. So take it to your lunge, stand tall, and it's really that stand tall in between that is really helping that burn of the quadricep muscle. Helping activate all of your balance, proprioception, really feeling where you are at in space.
Yes.
And then the breath is just gonna allow us to keep moving, maybe even smiling.
Yeah, smile helps.
Smile. A little smile.
Take it till you make it.
All right, 15 seconds, I want you to just be you to you right now. Why'd you show up? Let that little voice in your head be positive. Talk to yourself like your favorite pet, like the cutest little puppy. You got this, cutie pie, come on. Burn those legs. All right, finish it out here. Woo, shake it out.
Oh man.
Sounds good. Oh
yeah.
This is it, our last little move. You got your lateral lunge with knee drive. Don't you forget it. 3, 2, 1, take it away. All the way down, all the way up. Drive the booty back, knee over the ankle, elbows stay wide, and then don't forget about that twist. Can we maybe pick up that energy for this final 1 minute push, squeezing the knee across the body. Where do you go when the going gets tough? Stay positive. Know how powerful you are. 15 more seconds. We got it. We got this. We got it. Ain't no thing. What a chicken wing.
That's right.
Sounds 3, good. 2, 1. Okay.
Oh man.
We got one more in you?
Yes, I do.
This is it.
You know
one
it.
More.
One more.
Let's
do
finish
it.
it up, my friend. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. The last minute of our workout. Just like that. 10 minutes, and you just crushed your 10-minute leg workout, getting that burn without all the impact. Woo. Finishing out nice and strong. Notice how you showed up today. The way that we do anything is the way that we do everything.
Yes.
Take care of yourself. You got 15 more seconds here. Use your inner warrior. 10 more seconds. Don't you dare stop. Come on. We in this together. You only got about 3 more. Finish it out strong. Last one. Come on. Yes, and you did that. Give it a little shake. Make sure you stretch, cool yourself down. But just like that, you crushed your 10-minute low-impact leg workout.
Yeah.
Thanks so much to Allegra for presenting this episode, and thanks to you for getting it done. See you next time. Oh yeah.